Hi everybody. So this is another video concerning my new friend, Tim the cat. So I was just walking around my neighborhood and Tim started walking at me. I don't know if that's its real name. I just like calling it Tim. And Tim is really nice. It's super sweet. And it never does any mean stuff to anybody. He's super nice. Right, Tim? Tim would never hurt anyone, but he comes outside a lot, so now he's right here. This has been Tim. Goodbye, everybody. Tim, look at the camera. Tim. Tim. Hey, look. Oh, wow. That makes me feel good about myself. Say bye, Tim. Tim, say bye. Okay, Tim says bye.